These orders are really in place, ultimately to save Manitoban lives.
What is to come won't be easy, but for our province's top doctor, necessary.
We have to take these drastic measures to ensure our healthcare system is not overwhelmed.
So as of 12:01 a.m. tomorrow, these are the new restrictions in place. Social visits are prohibited. Stay to your household only. There are exemptions for critical care services or if you need child care help from a grandparent or a furnace fixed. There is also an exemption for those who live alone, as they can have a designated visitor. All of this a balancing act.
There's more aspects to health than just COVID. With this huge, the circuit breaker is required right now, but we have to have some of those exemptions to ensure people are able to get through this, what's going to be a challenging time.
There will also be new limits placed on indoor and outdoor public gatherings. Again, some exemptions for things like funerals, weddings, or baptisms, but again, the max size is 5. In the wake of overcrowded stores, business also taking a major shift as only essential goods will be allowed to be sold as of tomorrow.
Remember that the right to shop is not as important as the right to life.
The new changes force retailers to remove or restrict access to non-essential goods, bar them from selling them, while they will also be responsible for ensuring 25% capacity and providing proof of this. Non-essential items still available to be sold for pickup or delivery.
They're aware that there's enforcement officials there, and they're also aware that the consequences aren't just fines, they're closure. So don't think you can profit in the short term at the expense of putting lives at risk.
Now, as for what is and isn't considered essential, here's a list of the items that are considered essential. Things like groceries, winter tires for your vehicle, or a new winter jacket. Items that are non-essential, things like flowers, cosmetics, goods that aren't required for you to live, but enhance your life.
The best thing we can do for our local businesses who work so hard to provide the goods and services to us that they want to provide, to help them get back into business, is to beat COVID down.
Thursday's numbers again illustrating clearly just how important this is right now. Another 475 new cases, the test positive rate at 14%, hospitalizations and ICU admissions on the rise, and 8 more deaths.
But it's got to be clear, these are not just numbers that I'm announcing every day. Right? These are people, these are Manitobans. These are brothers, sisters, parents, aunts. And every day we're listing more and more.
A trend the province hopes these new restrictions, slated to be in place until at least December 11th, help put an end to. In Winnipeg, Jonas Gilbart, City News.